Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be doing in the dark vacuuming with my Bissell cleanview Revolution. I have done it before, but it didn't get a lot of views, so I'm gonna try redoing it and seeing if I get better luck. So, without further ado, we're going to get started. But first of all, I'm gonna have to go get something. Oh man, this is a tote. Okay, I have an idea. Uh, who knows, maybe that could have been a stupid idea. I think this is a game of catch. Oh man, you completely missed. Here, let's try you, Bissell Power Force Helix Turbo. Catch. Oh man. How about you, Bissell Power Force or Helix? Oh sweet, you caught one. There. Okay, so we're ready. I'm gonna be turning off the light. And we're gonna get started. So, yeah, the height setting we're gonna be using is the lowest. Put a new filter in it, so we'll see if it does better. Power buttons on the side. Foot pedal on the side. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna see how much it picked up. I do see some spots that it missed. So since it was dark vacuuming, And by the way, look at this action. So yeah, it sucked up about that much. I wonder how dirty it made the filters. We have this one, which I stole from the Power Force because I wanted this one to have all washable filters for when I'm older. And let's see how dirty this one got. Okay, so the filters are decent. We're gonna get our drawer of dust and we're gonna see how much it picked up. So we're going to empty it. And to get these, I honestly don't want to do that right now. But what these little side things do is it makes the big particles separated by the little particles. So look. So I just did that so I can actually empty the dirt container. Or, so I'd say out of a scale of 1 to 10, it did about 8. This one in the last video probably did like a 7.5 out of 10. So I do absolutely make merch. I've had a lot of people asking me, hey, do you make merch? And I'm like, I will be soon. So if you want merch, I'll be making an Etsy soon. So I could get those out to you. I'll put my Etsy when I make it in the description, same with my Instagram, so you can follow me. And I hope you guys have a great day. My main goal of this channel is just to show people tips and tricks. So yeah, have a very lovely day. Bye-bye. Dexter's Vacuums is out.